Good morning children, welcome back to second language English class. So, this is class for 9th standard, second language English, prose 7, the will of sacrifice, session 2. Yes children. So, in our previous class, we have discussed how Bhagat Singh was participated in freedom struggle. Okay children. So, in this lesson we will learn more about his role in freedom struggle. Okay. Yes. Before going to this class student, so in our previous class I have given you home assignment, isn't it? You might have been done the homework and shown to your teacher, I hope. Yes. I have given you to list out 10 phrasal verbs and use them in a meaningful sentences. Okay, this is first assignment. Secondly, I have given you to prepare a profile of Bhagavati Charan and Sukhdev, isn't it? I think you have done this also. Okay children. So, I have prepared a profile for Bhagavati Charan. Okay. Come on, let us watch profile of Bhagavati Charan. So, this is profile of Bhagavati Charan Vohra. Name Bhagavati Charan Vohra, born 15th November 1903 in Ludhiana, Punjab, died 28th May 1930 in Lahore, British India. Father Shri Shiv Charan Vohra. Spouse, spouse means wife, Durgavati Devi. Children Sachindra Vohra. Organization he worked for Hindustan Socialist Republican Association and Naujawan Bharat Sabha. Political movement, Indian independence movement. Worked with Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Batukeshwar Dutt. Worked for Hindu Muslim unity as well as the upliftment of the poor. Education, Bachelor of Arts. Okay children, this is the profile of Bhagavati Charan Vohra. Dear students, so you will be given profile and profile should be written into the paragraph form. Okay? Yes. I have prepared a paragraph for the profile of Bhagavati Charan. Okay. Let me read a paragraph Bhagavati Charan. Bhagavati Charan was born on 15th November 1903. He was born at Lahore, presently in Pakistan. His father was Shri Shiv Charan Vohra. His wife was Durgavati Devi and son Sachindra Vohra. He was a BA graduate. He was participated in Indian independence movement. He worked for Hindu Muslim unity as well as the upliftment of poor. He worked for organization like Hindustan Socialist Republican Association and Naujawan Bharat Sabha, and he worked with Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Chandrasekhar Azad and Batukeshwar Dutt. He followed the socialistic principles. So, this is the profile changed into paragraph. Yes. Okay children. So, let us recall the key points of previous class. Yes. The great revolutionary freedom fighter Bhagat Singh was born on 27th September 1907 in Khattar Kalan, Punjab. His family was known for patriotism. Bhagat Singh came in contact with great freedom fighters like Lajpat Roy and Ras Bihari Bose. National School, Lahore was the center of revolutionary activities. He joined it. The revolutionaries decided to drive away the Britishers from India using weapons, bombs and guns. Bhagat Singh was also a great socialist thinker. Bhagat Singh decided to avenge the death of Lala Lajpat Roy, killed, Scott and threw bombs on the Central Assembly Hall. Bhagat Singh was tried in court and sentenced to death. So, this was the gist of the previous class. Okay children, I hope you are all kept open your textbook. Now, I will read the text. Look into the text and listen to me carefully. Are you ready? Yes. Bhagat Singh's lost letter to Batukeshwar Dutt. Batukeshwar Dutt was brother of Bhagat Singh. Central Jail, Lahore, 21st March 1921. Dear brother, the judgment has been delivered. I am condemned to death. In these cells, besides myself, there are many other prisoners who are waiting to be hanged. The only prayer of these people is that somehow or other they must escape the noose. Perhaps I am the only man amongst them who is anxiously waiting for the day when I will be fortunate enough to embrace the gallows for my ideal. I will climb the gallows gladly and show to the world as to how bravely the revolutionaries can sacrifice themselves for the cause of the nation. I am condemned to death, but you are sentenced to transportation for life. You will live, and while living, you will have to show to the world that the revolutionaries not only die for their ideals, but can face every calamity. Death should not be a means to escape the worldly difficulties. Those revolutionaries who have by chance escaped the gallows should live and show to the world that they can not only embrace gallows for the ideals but also bear the worst type of tortures in the dark, dingy prison cells. Jai Hind. Yours, Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh's letter to the second LCC convicts. Lahore Jail, 22nd March 1931. Comrades, the desire to live is natural. It is in me also. I do not want to conceal it, but it is conditional. I don't want to live as a prisoner or under restrictions. My name has become a symbol of Indian revolution. The ideals and the sacrifices of the revolutionary party have elevated me to a height beyond which I will never be able to rise if I live. Today, people do not know my weaknesses. If I escape gallows, those weaknesses will come before them, and the symbol of revolution will get tarnished, or perhaps it may vanish altogether. On the other hand, if I mount the gallows boldly and with a smile, that will inspire Indian mothers, and they will aspire that their children should also become Bhagat Singhs. Thus, the number of persons ready to sacrifice their lives for the freedom of our country will increase enormously. It will then become impossible for imperialism to face the tide of the revolution, and all their might and their satanic efforts
will not be able to stop its onward march. Yes, one thing tricks me even today. My heart nurtured some ambitions for doing something for humanity and for my country. I have not been able to fulfill even 1000th part of those ambitions. If I live, I might, perhaps, get a chance to fulfill them if ever it came to my mind that I should not die. It came from this end only. I am proud of myself these days and I am anxiously waiting for the final test. I wish the day may come nearer soon. Your comrade Bhagat Singh.
Okay, children. So, let me summarize the gist of the unit. Bhagat Singh was able to keep the spark of freedom struggle alive through his letters. So, Bhagat Singh has written 2 letters, one to his brother Batukeshwar Dutt and another to his fellow freedom fighters. Yes. Bhagat Singh is remembered as a martyr. He was an inspiration to fellow freedom fighters. Revolutionaries not only die for their ideals, but they have to bear the worst type of tortures in the dark, dingy prison cells. Bhagat Singh didn't want to live as a prisoner or under restrictions. He wanted to live enjoying freedom. Okay, children, let us learn the glossary in this part of unit. First word, veteran, one with long experience of service. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಭವಿ ಪರಿಣತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Pensions were granted to veterans who had served in the freedom struggle. So, let us move to the next word, anxious, very eager or concerned to do something. ಆತಂಕ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ಲಿ ಆಂಕ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್ board exams. Next word, enslaved, make one a slave, ಗುಲಾಮರನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. The Indians were enslaved and their welfare was under the control of British before independence. Okay, so let us move to the next word, aggressive, means attacking, ಆಕ್ರಮಣಕಾರಿ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅರ್ಥ. ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಗ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸರಿ. ಶಹೀದ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಟೈರ್, ಹುತಾತ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅರ್ಥ. ಲಿಂಕನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಮಾರ್ಟೈರ್ ಟು ದ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೇಷಿಯಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿ. Okay, let us move to the next glossary word, condemn, meaning is sentenced to punishment. Condemned prisoners in Nirbhaya case were executed. So, let us move to next glossary word, noose, meaning is knot around the neck. ಕುಣಿಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪಾಶ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೈಡ್ ದ noose around the neck for execution. So, let us move to next glossary word, fortunate, lucky, ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಅಮೃತ ವಾಸ್ ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ family. Let us move to next glossary word, transportation, meaning is the act of sending criminals to a place that is far away as a form of punishment. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. during British period, political prisoners are transported to Andaman prisons. Okay. Now let us move to next glossary word, calamity. Meaning is great misfortune. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಪತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. In Karnataka, there was a big natural calamity, water floods on northern part of state. So let us move to next glossary word, dingy. Meaning is dark and dirty. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಳಕು ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಸಲು ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Britishers kept Indian freedom fighters at dingy Andaman cellular jail. Yes. Now let us move to next glossary, comrades. Meaning is mates or fellow associates. ಗೆಳೆಯ ಅಥವಾ ಸಂಗಾತಿ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಲ್ಸನ್ ಮಂಡೇಲಾ and Oliver Tambo were comrades for 6 decades. Next glossary word, conceal, hide, keep secret. ಮರೆಮಾಡು ಅಥವಾ ಅಡಗಿಸು ಅನ್ನೋ ಅರ್ಥನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Sometimes criminals conceals their identity to escape from the police. Next glossary word, symbol. Meaning is a sign, shape or object that is used to represent something. ಕನ್ನಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಗುರುತು ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. This is the symbol of Olympic Games, represents 5 continents. Elevate, lift up or rise. ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೇರಿಸಿ, ಎತ್ತರಿಸಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಪದ. Emotional stress can elevate blood pressure. Yes children. So we have learnt the vocabulary. Now let us comprehend the lesson. I will ask some questions. Okay. So let me know how far you have understood the lesson. Okay. Yes, come on. Dear children, so here we have some multiple choice questions. Okay. First question, Bhagat Singh's name has become symbol of option A, elevation, option B, reorientation, option C, revolution, option D, relaxation. So tell me the answer. Yes, Bhagat Singh's name has become a symbol of option C, revolution. Yes, your answer is correct. Fine. Now let us move to next question. Bhagat Singh was never afraid of meeting option A, friends, option B, enemies, option C, death, option D, relatives. Yes, come on, tell me. Bhagat Singh was never afraid of meeting. Yes, answer is death. Exactly correct. Okay children, let's move to next question. Bhagat Singh is a model of option A, socialist servant, option B, oratory, option C, political wisdom, option D, sacrifice. Give the answer. Yes, somebody telling that? Yes, he is a symbol of or model of sacrifice. Fine. So let us move to next question. The Indian freedom fighter who died in police attack was option A, Balagangadhara Tilak, option B, Lala Lajpat Rai, option C, Bipin Chandrapal, option D, M.G. Ranade. Yes, come on, tell me the answer children. Yes, exactly correct. Option B. Fine. Answer is option B, Lala Lajpat Rai. Okay children, so let me ask the question Now, how was Bhagat Singh able to keep the spark of freedom struggle alive? Yes, come on, tell me. Yes, some of you are telling that through letters. Yes, exactly. Bhagat Singh able to keep the spark of freedom struggle alive through his letters written from the jail cell. Yes, correct. So, let us move to next question. Why is Bhagat Singh remembered today? Yes, come on, tell me. Correct. Bhagat Singh is remembered even today as a martyr who bravely embraced death at the gallows with a smile for the sake of nations, freedom as an inspiration to many fellow freedom fighters. Correct. So, let us move to next question. What was the only prayer of the people who were with Bhagat Singh? Yes? Yes, some of you are telling that they wanted to escape. Exactly correct. Yes. The only prayer of the people who were with Bhagat Singh was that somehow or other they must escape the news. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ನೇಣಿನ ಕುಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಫ್ರೇಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೈಫ್? ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್. Yes, come on, tell me the answer. Correct. Transportation of life is nothing but escaping from the death. The convicts are sent to a far place as a form of punishment. Yes, let us move to next question. What kind of punishments does Bhagat Singh talk about? Yes. Bhagat Singh talks about transportation for life. It is the act of sending criminals to a place that is far away as a form of punishment. Okay, so let us move to next question. What expectations did Bhagat Singh have from the people who escaped the gallows of death? Come on, tell me. Correct. Those people should show to the world that the revolutionaries not only die for their ideals but can face every calamity. They have to face the worst type of tortures in the dark, dingy prison cells. Yes, let us move to next question. What kind of life did Bhagat Singh desire to lead? Yes, he didn't want to live as a prisoner or under restrictions. He wanted to live enjoying freedom. Okay, children. So, we have learned some phrasal verbs in our previous class also. Okay. So, in this class also we will learn more examples for phrasal verbs. Okay. Now, you have to match the phrasal verbs with their meanings. Okay. So, this is an activity. Come on. Yes, we have 3 columns here. So, first column is phrasal verbs, second column is meanings, and the third column is the correct answer you should write. Are you ready? Yes. First word is carry on, take off, pass away, look after, look for. Okay. So, now meanings are given. Take care, try to find, start to fly, die, continue. Okay. So, now children, you have to match the phrasal verb and their meaning. Okay. What is the meaning of carry on? Yes, answer is continue. Fine. Take off. Yes. Start to fly. Pass away. Yes, exactly. Die. Look after. Take care. Fine. Look for. Yes, try to find. Exactly correct. Okay, children. So, let us move to next examples. Okay, phrasal verbs: hold on, run out, wake up, go back, give up. Meanings are: return to a place, stop trying, have none left, stop sleeping, wait a short time. Now you have to match the phrasal verbs with their meanings. Yes. So, what is the meaning of hold on? Yes, wait a short time, exactly correct. Run out? Yes, the meaning is have none left. Wake up. Wake up means stop sleeping. Okay. Next word, go back. Yes, return to a place. Give up, stop trying. Yes, you answered very well. Okay. Okay, children. Now it is the time for assignment. Now I will give you some homework. Okay. So now I will give you, the first question is, write the profile of Sukhdev into paragraph. Okay. So now I have given every details: born, died, father, mother, brother, organizations he worked, political movement he has took part, about him, worked for. Okay. So here, so I have given 15th May 1907 Ludhiana, Punjab, and died on 23rd March 1931 in Lahore, Punjab, British India. Father Shri Ramlal, mother Srimati Rali Devi, brother Mathurdas Thapar, organization Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, political movement he has took part, Indian independence movement. About Sukhdev, an Indian revolutionary, is famous for his contribution to the Indian freedom struggle, and he worked to educate the young minds at the National College, Lahore. Now you have to write this profile into a paragraph. Next question is, write a letter to your friend about your patriotic feelings after reading the letters to Bhagat Singh. Okay. So you have read two letters, one letter to brother Batukeshwar Dutt and another one written to his co-freedom fighter. Yes. Now you have to write a letter to your friend about your patriotic feelings. You have to complete this assignment and should show to your respective teachers.
I would like to give credits to the following web sources. Dear students, scan QR code given in page number 121 to get more information. You can watch again the class on YouTube channel.
Thank you, children. I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you.